What's poppin'? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Niyah, come back with another video. Guys, my hair is all over the place, but do you think I care? No. Today I'm trying out this new spot. So I'm going like 30 to 40 minutes to Lancaster. There's this place I seen on TikTok called Max's. They have some good food, good drinks, some milkshakes. So I'm gonna go check it out today. We're gonna go on a little drive and spend the day with me. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, I was rushing. Don't mind how I have my sleeve, but I wanted to show you guys this cute two-piece set. I got so many compliments all day. It's literally so comfortable. If you want to know where I got this from, click the link in the description. Check out True Hustlers. And yeah, you guys need to get you one right about now. Look at how cute this is. So I want to get like a slushie. I like Wawa's slushies better, but I'm gonna get a blue. I'm gonna mix blue, raspberry, and cherry. That's how you gotta do it. Alright, let's see some candy. I'm really a fan of low-key. Those are good. Y'all, these are good. I'm gonna get these for the road. Let's go out. Let's be. Here is Max, so I'm about to walk in and see. Thank you. Oh, this is so cute. I need to feel this. So cute. Okay, guys, so this is the menu. This is brunch. Shareables. They got salad, burger. This is the drink menu. Because it was just not it, and I think it looks cuter like this. But yeah, this outfit is definitely getting. Y'all better start playing. Okay, so I got my food, and guys, look at the milkshake. Look at how bomb. I think it's like, it was like Hershey marshmallow, like some s'mores thing. Oh my gosh, let's try it. Just as I expected, this milkshake was so bomb. I give it a 10 out of 10. If you guys ever get the chance to go to Matt's Eatery in Lancaster, try it. The burger was so good and juicy. You know, I had my lettuce, tomato, ketchup, a little bit of mayo on there. Look at that bite. Let me stop playing. Y'all, it was so good. I swear I give it a 10 out of 10. Y'all, My hair, I'm like over it. I feel like I've been gaining some weight. I'm not complaining, but I've been eating good and gaining weight in the right places. But yo, that food was so freaking good, and it was not even that expensive. I only spent like $30 or something. But I'm at the mall now. This mall that they have over here called Park City. I'm gonna go in Forever 21, see what they have in there, see if I could get like some basic solid color shirts or whatever, and just see what they got in there. So yeah, we'll see, guys. I'm about to go in this store garage. Let's see what they got in here.
Oh, really?
It's time for me to go, y'all. My camera's about to die, so I'm going to head home and I'm gonna catch up with you guys in a little.
You got more keys than Jackie Chan, right?
I got more shoes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which paper you got right now in the car?
Probably my 11.
Yeah, 11? Which one?
Yeah. Jordan, cool grade.
Cool grade? Those are my favorite ones too. Look. Say they was already clean, but look how my protector just shine that up for you.
Okay, so you were saying my sneakers was dirty.
No, I never said he was dirty, but you know, I'm buffing up the volume a little bit with my product.
Guys, I'm heading out now because my camera is about to die. But I got these glasses. Don't ask me why glasses are giving nerd. This is something that I would have worn when I was in. Y'all, this is the end of the video. I'm heading out. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and loved it.